Hello, my people. Welcome to the Score channel. Today we've got something special for you. That's right, you. Youniversity. It's the first episode in our new series where we show you about universities all around the world. We want to help you find the right university for you. Our first episode in the series is Rochester Institute of Technology. We sat down with Frank Thomas, an admissions counselor at RIT, to get to know a little bit more about the university and to see what makes it unique.
My name is Frank Thomas, and I'm one of the international admissions counselors at RIT. I help advise students and families at all levels of study, from the bachelor's to graduate and PhD level, for students from Latin America and the Caribbean. So that's everything in the Western Hemisphere, excluding Canada and the United States.
Without further ado, let's get started. Rochester Institute of Technology is located near the city of Rochester, New York, in the suburb of Henrietta. RIT has been around since 1829, and today is home to more than 2,000 international students. But don't let the name fool you. Just because it's called Rochester Institute of Technology doesn't mean that all you're going to be doing here is math and science.
We are not just a STEM school. In fact, we really are looking for students who are at the intersection of technology, innovation, and design.
Yes, the university is a strong performer in programs like computer science and engineering, but they also have liberal arts studies that can help you broaden your horizons and understand the business aspects of what it's like to be an engineer. There's even a strong push to include more artistic talent in RIT, with a brand new theater being constructed that's going to be used for performing arts.
RIT is one of the few STEM-focused universities in the United States that actually offers performing arts scholarships. So if you want to study graphic design or accounting or biomedical engineering, but you still want to keep one foot in the world of acting or vocal performance or technical theater, instrumental performance, any of these various performing arts, we want to still provide you those opportunities.
It's a lot more than just an institute of technology.
A lot of students think that a STEM university or a technology university is really only looking for test scores and excellence in computing. What's really important to us is the way that students spend their time. We have a blockchain club, we have a badminton club, we have a beekeeping club, and we have a Beyonce fan club, and that's just in the letter B. So it's a wide range of activities and interests you can be involved in here. And that's what we're looking for from students in their home schools.
One of the things that I love most about RIT is that it gives you a great opportunity to get work experience.
So RIT has one of the largest and one of the oldest co-op programs in the world. Cooperative education is paid professional work experience that is part of the educational experience. Co-op is actually a full-time paid semester of work with a company that is in your field of study.
Not only are you going to walk out of the university with a degree, but you're also going to have money in your pocket and work experience that you can put on your resume.
Every degree at RIT requires some amount of experiential learning, and the vast majority of those degrees require co-op, anywhere from 1 semester to 4 semesters. Co-op and internship, any type of paid employment that is related directly to your study, is available to international students, and for those who attend on an F1 visa, that's the typical student visa, that visa does allow you to have this type of employment.
In fact, 60% of the students who finish at RIT get job offers from their employers, which means that you might even be able to stay in the country after you graduate and switch to a work visa.
And the second thing that is unique to RIT is that we're home to the National Technical Institute for the Deaf. We have over 1,000 deaf and hard of hearing students.
Really, the entire campus and most of its programs are programmed in such a way that facilitates life for deaf people. If you're a deaf student and you're looking for a place that will truly accept you and give you every opportunity to succeed, look no further. Well, based on everything I've seen, I can't wait to see RIT for myself. I guess a better question would be, when can we see you, Frank?
Lima was on my list in April of last year. I was to be in Lima last year, but it didn't happen. So I will be coming back.
Alright, well, we're looking forward to seeing you. Thanks again to Frank and also to David for helping us out with some of the footage for this video. If you'd like to know more about RIT, you can head over to their website. There's a link in the description for you. And also just check out their YouTube channel. They've got an awesome YouTube channel full of videos, some of which helped us make this video. So you can go onto their channel, subscribe, and follow along. They've even got content in Spanish if you're interested. If you like this video, please leave a like, give it a thumbs up, because it lets us know that you want more of this kind of content, and we really want to make more videos like this for you to help you figure out what a good university is for you. Also, I spent a lot of time on that intro, and I want to get at least more than one use out of it, so please come back to the channel if you guys like this stuff. We're going to do more interviews with more universities, and not just in the United States. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and keep coming back so that you can see more universities that you can choose from. So until next time, we'll see you next week.